Hello and welcome to the new video. Today I'm finally doing something great, unboxing and reviewing Victron's SmartSolar MPPT solar charger model 100/20. I have said before that I really like Victron products, and the Victron is my favorite brand, and I can't wait to install this. This solar charger will charge the battery on small river boat powered by an electric motor. I decided to work with Victron products because they are high quality and reliable, as well as excellent monitoring of the condition of your solar system over the internet, Bluetooth or their devices. Maximal PV open circuit voltage is 100 volts and rated charge current is 20 amps.
I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Here I have a regular 12 volts lead battery that I will connect just for testing and to look at the settings and program it. Later it will be connected to a 100 amp hours lithium battery in the riverboat.
a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
I will also connect a small 40 watts solar panel for test. And here we go. You must first download the VictronConnect application. Link is in the description of the video, or you can download it with mobile phone from the App Store. Turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. When you open the application, your device will be displayed. When you select the device, you will be asked for PIN that is factory set to 6 zeros. After you have connected to the device, you will probably be asked to make updates for your smart MPPT.
I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
And now you can select your device and connect to it. And this is one of the reasons why I love Victron. All the data in one place in a few seconds. Currently it shows battery voltage only. Solar panel is not connected.
6 a.m. and I'm up again.
I connected a 40 watts solar panel just for testing, and currently I have only 5 watts of power from it because it's almost dark outside.
I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into
Here in the settings you can find everything you need. The battery I will use for the boat is 12 volts lithium with capacity of 100 amp hours.
ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, AM and I'm up again.
You can view the datasheet of this SmartSolar MPPT on their website. All the data are related to it. Also, you can find the devices that you can connect for further monitoring of your solar system.
Move fast and climb, a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
I can't wait to install this and try it on the boat. Of course, I'll record the installation for the next video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe on the channel.